Students, this is the second video of the topic Factors and Multiples, class 4th. In the first video, we discussed how can we find the HCF of a given number, the prime factorization of a given number, then the factor tree. Now next topic is multiples. If you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they all are the multiples of 1. Students, what is the multiple? Suppose you are writing here 2 into 4 is equal to 8. You have written 2 into 4 is 8. This means 8 is the multiple of 2 as well as 4. And we can also say that 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. Clear? Now, what are the multiples of 2? They are 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. There is no end. This is just a table of 2. You write like this, na? 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6. These all numbers we are writing, these are the multiples of 2. In the same way, multiples of 3 will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. In the same way, multiples of 7 will be 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and 42. Now few important points, let us discuss them. If you see here, we are finding the multiple of 2. 2 is coming here. We are finding the multiples of 3. 3 is coming here. We are finding the multiples of 7. 7 is here. So we can see it very clearly and very easily that every number is a multiple of itself. Clear? If you see here, all the numbers will come if I write more. So we can also say this, that every number is a multiple of 1. Every number will be a multiple of 1. Next is, every multiple of a number is either greater than or equal to the number. Let us suppose we are taking the example of multiples of 7. These multiples, if you see, these are increasing. So we can say this, every multiple is either greater, these all are greater, or equal to the given number. Means one multiple will be equal to that number and all the rest multiples will be greater to that number. Now, how can we find the first 6 multiples of 9? Very easy. Write the table of 9 till 9 into 6. 9, then 18, then 27, 36, 45 and in the last 54. Now students, let us discuss very important topic, that is LCM, least common multiple. It is very clear from the name that first of all you need the common multiples, and from the common multiples you will find the least number. There are three methods. The first method is listing method, then prime factorization method, then common division method. So let us continue. Listing method. Suppose we have to find the LCM of 3, 4 and 6. The first step, write the multiples of 3, write the multiples of 4 and then write the multiples of 6. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. You can also write more. These are the multiples of 3. Now 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. These are the multiples of 4. Next, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and then 36 and so on. Now students, let us find the common multiples. Now listen very carefully. As we know, the multiples are increasing. These are increasing. You can see very clearly. So the first common multiple will be your LCM. You can also check it further also. Now what will come here? 21. Then 24. So on. There is 24 already. So I am not writing it more. 24 is already there. So let us circle them also because they are common. Now two common multiples I am writing. First is 12. 12 is here, here and here also. Similarly 24 is also present in 3 of them, that is 24. There are so many common multiples also. Now which is the smallest common multiple? Yes, the smallest common multiple is 12. So our LCM will be, least common multiple will be 12. Clear? In the listing method, write the multiples first, then find the common multiples, then you have to see the least common multiple. Clear children? Now the next method is prime factorization method. For prime factorization method, it is very clear from the name that you have to find their prime factorization first. Now, we have to find the LCM of 108 and 36. We have done right now the prime factorization of numbers. So we are done with the prime factorization. So let us write them like this. 108 is equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Clear? Then 36 will be equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now students, circle the common factors. This is common. Then this 2 is also common. Then this 3 is also common. Then this 3 is also common. Students, one number can be repeated also. Fine. Now the common factors are 2. This 2 I am writing. Then this 2. Then this 3. Then this 3. Repetition occurs. Now you have to see also, is there any factor which is not common? Yes, this 3 is here, but there is no other 3. So this will be your non-common factor. Clear? So now the LCM, that is least common multiple, will be, first of all, write the common factors, because the formula for finding LCM is product of common factors and non-common factors. Yeah, uncommon factors. So now, common factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Why I am writing here multiply? Because we have to find the product of them. Multiply non-common factor. There is only one non-common factor, that is 3. Now we will multiply these numbers. Take them in pairing. It will be easy for you. This is left as such, so leave it as such. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9 into 3. Again do the pairing. 4 into 9, 36 into 3 as such. Now you are left with the two numbers only. So you will get the answer, that is 108. Now let us discuss long division method. Find the LCM of 315 and 525. Students, when we were finding the HCF, we were writing them separately like this. But when we will find the LCM by long division method, we will write them together. If there are 3 numbers, we will write here 3 numbers. Clear? So I have written 315 and 525. Now listen this method very carefully. Let us do it. Now think a prime number in which both numbers comes. No, they are not divisible by 2. Let us think about 3. For 3, we add the digits. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Yes, this is divisible by 3. Let us check, is this number is divisible by 3? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So this is also divisible by 3. So 3 I will write here. Now check it by division. 3, 3 1 is 3. Then 1 will come down. Not possible. 2 digits will come down. Put 0 here. Whenever the 2 digits come together, we put 0 here. Now 3 5 is 15. So I will write here 105. Now the next is 525. Check it by division also. 525. 3 1 is 3. 2, then 2 will come down. 3 7 is 21. 1, then 5 will come down. 3 5 is 15. So what you get? 175. So here I will write 175. Now these two numbers comes in the table of 2? No. They come in the table of 3. Let us check. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. Yes, this is divisible by 3. Now this 7, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. This is not divisible by 3. So, let us move 4. In the table of 4 they comes? No. In the table of 5? Yes, because the last digits are 5. Now, I will do it directly. See very carefully. 5 2 is 10. 5 1 is 5. Student, start practicing like this because it will take too much time. Now 175. 17 we will take. Listen carefully. 5 3 is 15. So what the remainder will come? Yes. 2. 2 and 5 will join, become 25. And 5 is 25. See, it's very easy. You start practicing. After 2 or 3 days, you will also start doing like this. Now next. In which table both the number comes? Yes, think. Now students, listen carefully. They both comes in the table of 7. So I will write here 7. 7 3 is 21. 7 5 is 35. Now children, these two numbers, they don't come in one table. So start from the smallest one. 3 1 is 3. 5 is not coming in the table of 3, so it will remain as 5 only. Now 5 comes in the table of 5, so I will write here 5 1 is 5. And whenever 1 and 1 will come, we will stop at that point. Now we have to find the LCM. What will I write? I will write from here. 3 multiply 5, multiply 7, multiply 3, multiply 5. Now again what we will do? We will take the pairs. 3 into 5, 15. 7 into 3, 21. Multiply 5. Clear? Now 15 multiplied 21 is 315. Multiply 5, and 315 into 15 is 1575. Clear, children? Now let us do how can we find the LCM of 210 and 100. Again students, the last digit is 0. So these two numbers must be divisible by 2. So I will write here 2. See, now carefully I am doing it directly. 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 0 is 0. See, it's very easy. Then 2 5 is 10, 2 0 is 0. Done. Now again the last digits are 0. So this will be divisible by 2. Now 110 you are having. 2 5 is 10. 1 0 will come down. 2 5 is 10. So I have written here 255. Now 2 is 4. Keep 1 in your mind as a remainder. 1 and 0 will become 10. Then 2 into 5 is 10. Now students, these two numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, and 5 5 is 25. Now these two numbers are left. So we will take the smallest first. 5 1 is 5, 11 will remain as such. Now 11 1 is 11. We got 1 comma 1. So stop here. So the LCM will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 11. Now take in pairs. 2 into 2 4, 5 into 5 25, and then 11. 4 into 25 is 100. 11 as such, and 11 into 100 is 1100. Now students, I am giving you an assignment as a homework. Do it very carefully. If there is any problem, you can see this video again. Thank you, children.